Okay, I have two older buckets here that I'm gonna use. This is a bigger one. You see a 5-gallon right here. I'm gonna use this as well. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a couple of holes right at the bottom so you know we can get water flow. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go around every couple inches, depending on the size of the bucket, you know, 6, 8 inches. I'm gonna go all the way around. Okay, I have my holes all the way around. I drilled them out so the water could drain. I did it on both the buckets. You can see, all the way around. Alright, as you can see, I have two types of, two different stages rather, the wood. I went out to the woods and got this. These is trees that just fell down from oak trees and stuff like that. I'm gonna use this as a filler. I break some up. Not even really have to break it up, it'll do it itself. I'm gonna throw it at the bottom of the buckets like so. Fill them up to a certain point. Then I'm gonna use this. You can see this tree here has been sitting for a while, probably a couple years in the woods. It's almost, nature's done its thing. It's about broke down for beautiful topsoil. That's so much nutrients right there for the plants. It's gonna be everything it needs. So I'm gonna put this on the bottom, fill it up a little bit less than halfway. Then I'm gonna use this tree just broke down almost to topsoil. I'm gonna come almost all the way up to about 3/4, and then we'll continue. Okay, I just transplanted from my planting pot to this bucket. As you can see, I got it here. It's a nice root system. I'm about to get this covered up. I'll put it a little bit deeper. Then I'm gonna take these wood chips, this old wood that I got from the woods. See how it crumbles up into nothing. And I'll finish layering it around the sides, on the top, to keep good moisture. And as you can see, this should be big enough for it to do what it needs to do. And this is eggplant. Next I'll be transplanting cauliflower. Okay, I have transplanted. This is cauliflower here. Got it transplanted in the bucket. Like I said, I took this wood, it's been rotting in the woods, crumbled it up, put it on top under my soil, as you can see, to keep moisture, nutrients. It should do great. It's got plenty of room to grow now, both of them. The cauliflower and the eggplant. I'll go ahead and move them to where the rest of the vegetables and stuff sat. I'm gonna put it up so nothing could get to it on our bench probably. And that'll be that.